On this episode, we're changing the lower link. This has been welded, so it broke and somebody welded it together. I'll just give you a close-up. Let's just say that I'm not real fond of the way those welds look, okay? But I'm not gonna pull it off and grind it and cut it and re-weld it because you can just order a replacement. So this one came from Vic Auto. It's a direct replacement. It's gonna fit right in here and we won't have to worry about this weld anymore. I can only speculate. No, I can't. I don't even know how they could break that in half. I don't know. So apparently they're breakable. So where we're at, this is a 4-link suspension. This is the lower link. The upper link is over here. It just means there's 4 points of contact on the axle, and then the panhard bar keeps everything centered this way. So this keeps it up and down, and this panhard bar keeps it sideways. So we kind of have to have this. Please fit. Oh yeah, okay. So I can turn that. I'm a little too low, but we'll get it figured out. So these big bolts are 19s. Fixing to have to get a little Hulk mania going on here. Oh, what asshole put that on there? That's uncalled for. Ugh, son of a bitch. Now, we got to get this bolt out. And so, our tool's going to get in the way. Take that, put it there. And we can take this and go like this. So we're going to pull here and twist here. There we go. This one, put your driver over it and you can pull it out. So this brake cable will just slide off. It'll be easier in just a minute. Let me get this top bolt out. Okay, so this brake cable just this brake cable just pops off like that. There goes my knuckle. That was a good one. Oh, shit. And then the new one will just fit into place, and the brake cable is held in right here on this clip. So I'm gonna wedge this one in here like so and get my bolt started all the way through. That was easy. And then I'm gonna put my brake cable in here. I'm gonna fix the one on the bottom. Hey, asshole. Close. Let's see if it'll spin through. Yes, it does. Okay, come back. Okay, so push it from the bottom to get your angle. And then put your nut on, or your washer, and then your nut. I'm going to go ahead and zip this side up. Slide on my washer, and then my nut. And then that's that. So this holds the brake cable in place. Just rests right up in there. So now we have a new lower trailing arm. Hasn't been welded. And it has new bushings. So mostly easy, right? 2 bolts, a little bit of wedging, and you're done. Have a good day and a pleasant tomorrow.